Okay, that's just down here. But wait till I bring it up here.
It's the Nettie on the tube. I see you found my page. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please enjoy your little time. Hey y'all, it's your girl Natty, back with another video. Not another video, but a new video. Today I will be making a DIY ring light for everybody that's balling on a budget like me. I'm not about to pay $100 and something for a ring light for YouTube. Got this from this girl. Her name is like Tania and Jakeem or something like that. But I'm gonna put her thing in here. But that's all that talking. Let's get right into it. So the supplies you'll need to make this ring light is scissors, tape, one of these paper towel holders, aluminum foil, wax paper, zip ties. They don't call them that, but zip ties. And you know, like what you make a reef? One of these to like make a reef, you know what I mean. Some cardboard. And most importantly, the daylight LED lights, 16-inch. The first thing you'll need to do is trace this out. So I have the cardboard, trace this onto the cardboard, because what you're going to do is cut it out, because it's going to be like a background for this. So let me take the tag off. So now that I have it laid out, I'm going to trace it onto the cardboard. Y'all, hopefully. Okay, and now that I have it traced, as you guys can see, I am going to cut it. So now I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to take my scissors and do this as straight as possible. Definitely suggest getting a better type of board to cut out, like a lighter one, like maybe like a pizza box or something. But after you're done, make sure that it fits, that you could be able to put this in the back of this and it'll fit. So I think mine is a little wide, so I am going to trim it a bit. Take the aluminum foil, which you can get from any dollar store or Walmart, any light store for real, and you start wrapping it around the cardboard. And the reason that you do this is because it'll help the light reflect onto you. So basically, you take this. Like so, and you just wrap it all around. I'm gonna just put this little piece of tape on here, because I don't think it bothers if like a little patch, like this little itty bitty patch of cardboard shows, but I'm gonna still put something there, just in case, because this is my very first time trying this, and I do not want it to be a fail. So this is what it should look like. So the next step is you take the reef and you take the daylight LED lights disrespectful behind board. So you take the ring lights and you make sure that the ring lights, like, okay, so you know a reef, like there's an outer side and then there's like an inner side. make sure that you start wrapping it on the inner side. So you take your zip ties and you start wrapping it. Let me show you guys how I'm gonna do the first one. Leave the corded part, this part, so that it's not to be off. And so how I'm going to do it is I'm going to take this, put it on the outside, put it like this, y'all, put it like this. Yep, just like this. And then I'm going to stick it, the zip tie through the thing. Make sure that it's tight. Just like so. So this is what the first one should look like. And then you just do that all the way around. Okay, y'all. So I'm getting down to the nitty-gritty. Okay, y'all, so this is what it should look like. It's a mess, but this is what it should look like. So now what you'll do is cut these, because these will, they just cut them. So I'm gonna start just, ow! Mother ducker. Excuse me. And make sure that the cord is behind everything. Ouch, mother ducker. Excuse me, Jesus. So now you take the aluminum foil thing and you put it behind it. And then you take the rest of the zip ties.
Do what?
And you attach this and the thing together, this and the reef together. So I'm gonna take the first one, and make sure you're putting the zip ties on right, because me definitely at the beginning was not, and so it was looking a mess. So just, or not looking a mess, but it wasn't holding. So you just keep going around, making sure that this, and make sure that the cord is behind everything. I almost made a big mistake. So make sure that the cord is behind it. And this is the front, this is the back. So make sure that the cord is behind it. And you'll cut the little loose ones from that. Okay, y'all, so this is what it should look like after putting the aluminum foil on the cardboard, putting the wire on the reef, and cutting all the what are these things called? Zip ties. So after you do that, the final step is to put the wax paper on. So with the wax paper, that is poking me too much. With the wax paper, you will have to use the tape, because I don't think, you know, wax paper don't stick. So you will have to use the tape. Let me finish. just how we did, what is it called? The aluminum foil. We're going to do the wax paper the same way, except we're going to use tape. So just wrap it. Just wrap it around. So I taped it down. And so I'm just going to do that as I go. Finishing look with the aluminum foil and what is this called? Wax paper. And so we're about to test it out, and then I'm also going to put pictures in here. I showed you that I tested it out. So get ready, get steady. This right here is with no light, no nothing. And then moment of truth, y'all. Okay, line it up. Woo, the light. Oh my god. I mean, gosh. Y'all, I'm geeking. This is so cute. I can't believe it. I'm so ugly, bro. I'm exhausted, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with the ring light, and I finally made it, and I'm going to show y'all the difference. So this is me, no ring light, just my light in my room, and I'm about to show y'all with the ring light. Okay, that's just down here, but wait till I bring it up here. Okay, y'all, this junk looks so good. I just need to figure out a stand or whatever for it, but yeah, so that's the moment of truth. It just unplugged. One thing I should say about this is get an extension cord, because the cord to the lights is really short, so an extension cord is well needed. Y'all see my baby Thugger back there. Okay, fine self. But yeah, for sure, get an extension cord. But this is the finishing look. Oh, I love it so much. Oh. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Send your friends here. Show them this tutorial if they need some. That's Joe's feet. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. But yeah, y'all, he's asleep. That's my brother, by the way. But so send your friends if they're in need of like a light or something, or if they want a cost efficient ring light. This ring light was like $25, if not cheaper, because I got some of the supplies from the dollar store. I'm gonna put down below where I got some of the supplies from and how much it was, or I'm gonna try to put how much it was, because I don't for real know the prices. But yeah, y'all, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoyed your time. Thank you. Outie. T gang.